This is the Chinese pendulum tit, a tiny bird, weighing 10 grams, known for its extraordinary ability in building unique and sophisticated nests. This nest is made of plant fibers, which are neatly woven by the male bird. The entrance is in the form of a tube curved downwards, so that rainwater does not enter, and predators, such as snakes or mice, have difficulty reaching the eggs or chicks inside. This bird often builds its nest on flexible twigs, hanging over water, so that it is safer from attack. The inside of the nest is lined with soft materials such as wool and cotton, making it warm and comfortable. This strategic design and location selection shows how smart this little bird is in surviving.